How bright and beautiful is this? Don't sleep on this little trio. You're gonna need it in your cabinet. Hey y'all, Laura Frazier here at Hairzilla, and I recently went blonde and I'm feeling a little dull, a little brassy. I lost that shine. I just want to brighten it up, and I'm not sure what to do about it at home, but I know someone who does know what to do. Redken! Redken Blondage Hydrate is a 3-part brightening system, and the main ingredient is vitamin C. It gets out any impurities to feel brighter and lighter right in your own shower. So first we're going to take our pre-shampoo. It's this jelly-like spray that we're going to put on our damp hair. We're going to spray it all over, and then we let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before we shampoo. So now we're ready to shampoo. We are not going to rinse. We are going to shampoo right over our pre-shampoo. It smells so good. You only need a little bit. It lathers really nicely. I can feel it, but you can't see it. The lather is a different type of lather, but don't fret, it's doing its job. Once we've lathered our shampoo over our pre-shampoo, we're gonna rinse really well, and now we're gonna condition. We're gonna emulsify and make sure all of the strands are covered and saturated, because you know I want that brightness all over. And we'll wait 30 seconds to 1 minute before we rinse it out. Okay, I'm so excited to show you my results. I did a quick last dry with my blow dry so you could see, and tickle me impressed. It is so shiny. Look how light my ends are. And all I did was the 3-part system in the shower, put a little One United in before I blew dry, and this is it. How bright and beautiful is this? This is definitely my new favorite family. Don't sleep on this little trio. You're gonna need it in your cabinet. Thanks so much, guys. Catch you on social media.